Yeah, see what? You can an enemy size. Oh, there will see your mind open for this. Maybe that over. What from the sound that born mama now hit him? And the Kwadwo Nkansah team, my job say me, and we both 5 goals.
It's all about Angie's Board TV. Yes, I want to call for flower. You do a 200 count. ATASA jua.
Canada, Yabana Yaba, Di Canada, Yabana Yaba, Di Canada. Well, great people, this is your boy, the fresh boy, Papa J. That's all of Kwame. It's all about Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin birthday celebration. And then they say, and then they say, I know I could float to a match. I was so any Wizzy Empire match now. I'm a captain for the National Bloggers Association, and I'm free a camp by. And I got a page, and quite a page, you know. But once a page, and it's suitable for best player like me. So my friend, doctors, so remember as I say page, I'm going to say, meet me again as a boa. Timino can say no more. But our bloggers more now, Kumawood TV, I say, Sean City TV. But your banner channel any day now, I say, GH Vibe channel. And I want you. Child, mumra bloggers here, mumra near match. Your name Wizzy Empire team, no. Babe match now, and I know Wizzy our born on say I shall because me Germany there. What's the channel?
GH Vibe Check.
GH Vibe Check. It's over position, man.
Oh, middle, baby. I meet my
middle no, you're
8, 6,
you're 10.
8, 6, 10. Baby, I don't know to
I'm watching. Kumawood TV. Kumawood TV. Yeah. Kumawood TV. Say, oh no, that's here training, you know. We heard the way I was sitting on MY.
Oh, they trade them. Defenders. Okay. Now was me question, but my catch was me defense no more than MY because I want them.
But I said you confuse you. Also call and still.
On the name the boss say it no. Tire party name.
All right.
Tiana me say me normal position is 7.
7. In 7 we be jama boy. Fantastic. Where Kumawood TV?
Nice one.
Kumawood TV no na tire conform politicians interview, you know. Me buana.
But so ubu so umwe but we catch us say. Once I na conform nim Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin say na yeah bobo no abegire me ade.
Yeah.
I catch and say ni huhu enye hu.
No.
There be any di nkomo kwa o hwe kra no kwa 2 minutes kwa ontimi mo because only kapa.
Ontimi mo.
There be Kwadwo ni kapa o.
Obebo. So wasaya man you be into a professional player.
Wasama.
Me mention say me best
player. Wasama.
New adu bi ase.
Onim team say ya bansa na ya ba bedura.
Hey, what team da?
Hey, asa.
Team na boy.
Me na be boy you Sahara.
Tafu. Me ba show han na ba na yakọ. Tafu he Sahara.
Oh, unim Sahara.
Am for your boo. She yi
o da banka.
Mo she ni megua ase.
Ojo da banka. Na me ni unim Steven Odro Zico. Oh. Ya Zico. Uni ya Zico ni bo ni ye training wo Sahara Park.
Am for kasapa.
Na me ga don je anasa Odru Samre ya. Na so mo kasa bebre because of Louise. But ye catch them as ene. Say ya nche Lilwin 5 ahun. 5.
Fantastic.
Na ye your bloggers was.
What I say. It's a match in the basso, kwan bia so no. Ye try say be show mo na ye raise cap.
Na wo kwa na wo capito na wo gina mu no te say.
Me kwa captain.
Make we ask wo gina.
No, that be say me person me amekasa. Na me bo captain abegina ball no. You know what's up?
Ada wura video okoye no Isaac Vosa wura video ye.
Me twi Vosa.
Ama Vosa no te form.
Kayo.
Because I did it.
I'm feeling no ada say ne ye. Ya ba bedru enti ye wo kwaman. Na ada musro macha bambra na mama obi ameka de obetimi ayo momra bloggers no momra na mbeche de moye ja wo say dey no na say training session mi hu say na oye wa later after no wa bre
No ma bre
it is na de na enyema wa won mrentem
onim de hia ne say me defenders no betimi aboa me.
Okay na say who be striker na
ene me dem ene me betu sika.
Nezo ye kibara.
Me na me bedem.
Hey, ene see wo. Ene see wo. Hey.
Ene Lilwin ngina ye.
Wow.
Me hu say ye ba ye hu say ahinkro squad ni na ba.
O me hwenhwen kwa.
Bloggers o.
Ahinkro no, omo di kan ba park ne so. Aso mo me so mo ye bibi o park ne so.
Oh, de ombe ye bia emfa. Obi be ka se emfon de o me bia nu e be ye adwuma. Ya ba o. Ye ne ye tisi ukuro no so se ye no ba be boa. Bia o be ye bia sei.
Me no ano me suma drone. E ba na adwo no. E be fa park ni so nyina hu bibia nti niam bia ko park so me ho.
Onim se eno ase bibi omo so ye bia na ye nso ya anda o. Nhwe ye ni ase.
Me hu se why bibia.
Ya sei bibia nti ena na dia agro ne form. Enye kasa bebre so ate wa hwe bloggers e twehia nti ya. Na se na ye be dijuma. Aha.
And so watch out we the updates ni be bro. Right as I just want multimedia na also what me hu de ekoso bia. Titi ni nyina wa ha. Squad nyina wa ha ene ye beje ye try ma wizi aba na fe no ye move straight to the field there the ball na kwa so watch out and information nyina ye de be ma only share have been yeah oh so for I don't go to be Obi ya ba ready aba no sorry. Eh na si aba.
Say you say bo. Bona say ke bonra.
Na ba say e no na.
Tim si nya start akasi fu say we.
Na le tim to.
Say na say ke bia no ansa nanka.
Wo nya moyo.
Amos start.
Sa ti ya kwa na.
E je bia e for some o mu di say finfi ba bi na ya ba say. Aba ma ja. Yes I dey.
Yes na ko say.
Yo ko pa.
Emra wo.
Ano wa mo we na say.
Enu ano na me ko ya ni o ko asi o.
Okay, me ko so mo di diaba. E ba na transmit me amya awon me be 30 minutes bian ke.
E jina wa ha. Oi. Jure e ba.
Atasa man.
Atasa oni pona jo. Na ja, wa nyene hwe.
Nyum. Atasa ready ya. Atasa.
Na ba o se. Atasa sen kap o sen kap. Eh ono.
What you want no?
Onya gana ni o. Ana onya
undi obata hani.
Kasa ko kan no. O je video tini.
O ni original video.
Na mo na be fast one obi na e fast. Eh jima no.
Oh,
39. Oh yeah. Oh yeah duplicate.
Atasa meet Atasa.
Oh wait for that.
Me bro original video.
Ba onu say Atasa
o David.
Atasa resi we. Domi na see.
Domi park na see here. A football match na ball. Easy, David my serious.
O say so obaji royalty so when you soon dey abonyo.
Tama e ba ene tama mo ye wo ka odi.
Say no so beka. No so beka.
Ba na won so de aba.
Ko so mi na ko say anka ba ba che problem.
Oh David meet me. Me mo put na say like me see work. Oh serious one can say like me see work. Yes serious. Nko for be na enemy kasa is the way senior man to say me forget it.
Me ba ba che o ba.
David.
But no say ka video no feature. No say ka feature na Atasa video no. No say ka feature na Atasa video.
Remix na
ka feature me. O ka feature me say me nka kire o na nka o metwa video ni bi. Kla. O ka feature say me mfrɛ o na nka o mra metwa video ni bi. And I'm so minim time over start over here adwuma. Entire
me metwa official one no.
Atasa na ngasa.
Asa afra metwa ayisu boy no. O guy no bueno me no boy no. In feature no.
Oh, hey, what feature be pa? Artist pa, never finish. Featuring artist. Where?
Oh,
Atasa.
Enter no the life and enter no sa na beto chuma kuma. Kuma forget it. Kuma forget it case. David yo, even for be na me kasa yo. Oh, you serious na make am mesre like my serious.
What for Atasa?
What from the sound that born mama na hate.
Is it God?
Mami date.
Also, oh, 7 on 7.
7 Monday on 7 so.
And the says I
no.
In pen for you betio. Oh, in pen for met. Oh, man, say na my.
Because no buy or say obagine.
Serious, I need my bag, me bag.
Baby, kill I want to man. No,
if you can buy you.
Baby. Also him say. Is it Atasa bandiro and Atasa? Ofraka na ba.
Seko pa. Ene o jema mo ana jema mo.
Atasa.
O me de baby
Obama.
Brother na say
So an actor or an actor maybe. Now come on, come on, using a bar. Obama using. That's the first time I blog out. I'm a blog. I'm fat.
Enough more.
I'm a blog. I'm
Any moment where me come back. You come back and so.
Yeah. ATASA! Is it next video be feature?
Yes,
Be feature. I think they say they only need
no issue and no issue.
Only issue
because we are na me hwe ni say when feature me po a saa dey also pick akra ma me. So I say nti future number na say make akra so am by the end the quarter say me.
ATASA meet ATASA. I pick it. Okay.
I was saying that you man no car. No be ya. I'm not me dey me say. Yeah, nya dey tete. Come on.
Can I maybe show go to them?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a boy. Senior player, I'm for you. Yami. I'm a boy. Now, I be do matches.
Honestly, when I saw about 10 minutes, must be about 10 minutes.
Me from my own. Mama, just only boot. Mama, just you or the boot. Only boot. Me and the player, no more, Mammy Jessie. Obi only player, no only boot, no. Mama, what I'm in China, me, that be offer just no man. In your keeper, you see, I have a player. What's that?
Pacho. Hey, guys. Player, guys. Number 10. Guys. Then behind just small player, man. Then behind just small player, what's new? Guys. What sound said number 10? David. What sound said 10? Say. Kwadwo Nkansah. Say. What map no for your 2 goals? What map no for your 2 goals?
And the Kwadwo Nkansah team, my job said, man, and we bought 5 goals. 5 goals.
What's the place? Team Papa Biana. Papa Biana. We be 15, 16, 16. Back up. About 11.
Gossip. Yeah, Gossip 24. Yeah, Gossip 24.
Gossip 24. Okay, so.
What did you try?
I know Kasama. As anyway, has a. Yes. It's still left. That's why I'm left. Almost say.
No, almost 7.
1 hour. Okay.
Guys! Have you done my destiny? Guys! Have you done my destiny? Hey, I got you here.
Where brother?
I want her walk with
Oh, how many subscribers? Yeah, but yes.
Okay, yeah, your second blogger. It's a blogger. Your second your treasure. No, we don't know we did the position.
TH vibes. Oversight.
Yes, striker.
Yes. Huh? Wait a minute. It was hard, yeah. One money, Roman Asano. What am I saying? I say yes. Your director, your PA, your costume, your makeup, your props, your continuity, your light man, your sound man. You're going to I can buy out for just run a show. I'm not going to do it. You're editor. Right our editor.
But you had an association.
But what?
And I shan't rap. I shan't rap.
What's that? My burgers and bamboo.
Nkansah Lilwin. Birthday boys. Say a shenwa. 5,000. 5,000. Obi eti.
Anyway, next match. 2 minutes.
What the team we are the